Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program to make you better marketers. Now, yesterday I talked all about showcasing top-rated products in your welcome messages. Today, let's expand upon that and talk about ways to use UGC like customer testimonial. Now, shoppers look at product reviews when deciding on purchase. This includes star ratings and the written reviews themselves. Within these reviews, written testimonials can be a powerful persuasion point. Including some of these inside your welcome messages will build confidence with your consumers. Combined with your value adds and product highlights, you have a strong chance of driving an email click and conversion. Now, when it comes to using testimonials in your emails, there are a few ways you can go about doing this. First, you can use product-specific testimonials. These may be best used when focusing on specific top-rated categories or products of interest. Second, you can use testimonials that aren't product-specific. This can include things like customers talk about the speed of shipping, easy returns, product fit or quality, and even exceptional customer service. Now, where do you use these testimonials in your messages? Well, for me, I use them everywhere. For those company or value add testimonials, you can use them as secondary or tertiary content, kind of like a banner in your emails below your hero image. Because they are designed to build consumer confidence, they would really fit well in any message you send. For those product-specific ones, showcase them in messages where you're highlighting top-rated categories or products themselves. If you have more image-based emails, you could even include them right into the image itself. Now, you can even use them as a basis for their own message, something like, what do customers have to say about us, or what do our customers think about our products? As you can see, what we're doing is building out messages with content we already have that instills consumer confidence and really caters to the shopping intent. Now, how you combine them and layer them doesn't really matter as much as the fact you're using them. Your goal for today is to isolate 3 customer testimonials based on products and 3 based on your company or value adds. Now, join me tomorrow where we're going to bring it all together, and tune in next week as I continue our Welcome Series conversation with topics like send cadence and ways to make your series even more personalized and more effective. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.